Good morning, Cagayan de Oro, September 26, 2025. It's 8:05 a.m. It's Friday and the weather is gloomy. It's slightly overcast. And for our traffic update, we have a heavy congestion, heavy volume of vehicles here at Kugman Bridge near FS Catanico. If you're going to Cagayan de Oro coming from the eastern part of the city, traffic is really heavy from that bridge going to City Hardware. That's where the line starts to pile up. So better get moving. This is due to a truck and a private vehicle in collision. So heads up, guys, for those going to CDO from the eastern side, you better start moving right now.